Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system, guys. And today I'm going to be in the Facebook group, guys. And I'm going to be showing you what it's actually doing for these 10x members. Okay, so let's open a new tab. Let's go to Google, find it, Facebook. Sorry, I didn't already have this out, guys, but here we go. Make this real quick. Okay, Facebook, let's go. Facebook, come on. Okay, now it's straight to 10x income system group. Okay, so here we go. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is a private group, guys, for the 10x income members only. But I'm going to show you guys around. Okay, so here we go. There are only 1,000 people in this group, guys. Not even 2 days ago, this was down to about 800 people, guys. And now there's 1,000. There's a lot of people jumping on this, guys, and it's growing fast. Okay, so let's scroll down after see some of the results that people are getting, guys. Okay, so Stephanie person. I've actually seen when she joined, guys. She wasn't even in here a few days yet. And she got her first sale today with organic traffic, which was huge, right, guys? So the initial program is 297. Okay, it's 297 to get in. It was 997, but now it's 297 to get in. Okay, so if we go back, oops, wrong page. We go back, guys, that's how much she earned because she invited someone on to this program, guys. She got 100% commission. So she gained 297, which was her initial investment, which is great. Congratulations to Stephanie there. So the like, all right. And she didn't even use Tabby D's traffic packages. And let me explain what these traffic packages are, guys. In these packages, guys, is a certain amount of people that Tabby D has collected on Google. Now, these are leads, guys. These are people who have basically handed over their information, guys. And Tabby D has them all wrapped up in a nice package, guys. So once you buy one of those packages from her, you get potential people who are willing to click that affiliate link that you have and actually get instant results. Now, these are pretty high converting leads that people that Tabby D has collected for you in these packages, guys. And this is one of the reasons people are actually getting left and right sales just like this. All right, guys. It's pretty much on autopilot, guys. So, like in most cases, you actually aren't recommended to promote organically because it may take a little longer than necessary. But this person made it work, and I'm actually going over the organic route myself as well, because I was a little skeptical about the packages, guys. Because I'm actually pretty new to this program. As some of you might already know, I've only been on this for basically a week. So I'm still pretty new. I'm still looking around. I'm still skeptical. I'm thinking, okay, what are other people saying about these packages before I get one myself, guys? And so far, I've heard good things. The other day I ran into a lady who uh, paid $200 in traffic packages, but got $600 from that. So she made about $400 profit. I think I can find that post actually. But if I can't, guys, I do in recent videos, guys, I have posted about that. So I think it was in one of my traffic videos. So if all of you want to check that, if any of you want to check that out, guys, you can find out about that story there. But here we go. This opportunity just keeps getting better and better. I'm actually on a conference call at the office, and I reviewed an email notification telling me that I just made another 297. I'm extremely humbled to be part of this group. I look forward to celebrating uh, other success. See you over the top. See that, guys? Another person who just got another sale. Okay, so let's scroll down some more and see what else we have. Okay, gotcha. So here's Tabby D. She likes to visit the group, guys, and engage with the other members as well. Scroll down. Morning. Woke up to this. For sales, guys. Some people who post don't want to show their information for whatever reason, guys. But that's okay. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Not sure what she blurred so many things out, but let's keep on scrolling. Oh, there's someone. Today, October 14th, gross income. She got something. Another payment 297. Look at that, guys. Let's scroll down. Okay, here we go. Keeps on coming. Look at that. Guys. And keep in mind, not everyone likes to post the results in this group, guys. So not only the people that I just showed you are getting results, guys, but many more are. So this is just like a members only group, like I mentioned before, guys. And not everyone is sharing their results. So keep that in mind as well, because most of the members who are in this group are succeeding, guys. I've reached out to a lot of them through Messenger as well, just to talk about their experience in here, guys, because that's what I like to do, guys. I'm a little skeptical when I approach this, you know. I'm just always thinking, okay, what is someone hiding in this? You know, I mean, what's the catch? No, I will say, of course, the traffic packages are an additional cost on top of the 297 that it takes to get in, guys. But it seems like people are making it work, guys. And like you just saw, like that one person who was in here got her first 297 commission and didn't even buy a package. So it's possible to go that route and actually be successful, guys, and actually make money with this too. So I hope this information was helpful to you all. And if you want to check this out yourselves, guys, and check out this page and this video uh, and all the articles below, guys, and maybe even purchase this, guys, because for a limited time there's a 365-day money back guarantee. All right. There are links in the description below, guys. Click on those, and you should be able to get to this page right away. I hope this information was helpful again, guys. And I'll see you all next time in a future video. If there's any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comments. All right. See you all later.